Hello, this is Stephanie from the Manlius Library. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some ornaments using paper you have around the house or even a book you're about to discard. Okay, for this first ornament, you'll need one piece of paper. I would like my ornament to be a little smaller, so I'm cutting the paper in half. Next, fold each rectangle back and forth like an accordion. Repeat this with the other rectangle. Fold these strips in half, and if you want to, you can give it a little trim at the end or even cut out a shape like a triangle. Next, tie the two pieces together at the fold. Use tape or glue to keep the fans open. For this next project, you'll need 5 pieces of paper. Fold it in half and then unfold it and fold the bottom of the page up to the middle fold. Now fold it in half lengthwise. Fold down the corners. You can use that middle line or that middle crease to help guide you. Fold the point down to the lower crease on the paper. Flip it over and fold the corners down on the other side. And then fold the long piece of that triangle down to the middle. Next, flip it over again and roll the bottom up, kind of roll and fold as you go and tuck it underneath that point. Repeat that 4 more times. You'll need a total of 5 triangles. To put the star together, tuck one of the arms into the back of another triangle and then the other arm into the front of the other triangle. It's hard to explain exactly, but you want to hide the arms of the triangles inside of the other one so they interlock together. And just keep kind of gently pushing them together and adding another one until you have all 5. I found that the book paper can tear easily, but this does become easier after you do it a few times. This is the 3rd one or so that I made, and they become a little easier as you go. So let me know in the comments if you had success making these and what you thought. Were the instructions clear? Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.